In this video, we're going to discuss what RafflePress giveaway templates are and how you can use them when creating your next contest or giveaway to help give you a great head start. If you're just finding out about RafflePress, it is the best WordPress plugin to grow your email list, website traffic, and social media followers with viral giveaways and contests. Everyone here at RafflePress loves having you part of the community, so check out the other videos on the channel, check out rafflepress.com, and we look forward to being involved with your next giveaway or contest. All right, so let's get started. I already have my WordPress dashboard open, so let's take a look. And here on the left-hand side, we can actually see that RafflePress is already installed for me. If you need help installing RafflePress, I'll leave a link in the description to a video that'll help you to install either the free version or the pro version. Let's come back to the menu here, and under RafflePress, let's go ahead and click on Add New. As soon as you click on Add New, it's going to ask you for a giveaway name and to select a template. Now you have multiple options here. You have the classic giveaway, you have the grow your email list template, refer a friend viral giveaway, the pre-launch campaign, grow your Facebook page. We have the Instagram following, your YouTube channel, and the Twitter following. So all of these have a specific purpose to help you get started for whatever your goals are with your contest or your giveaway. Let's go ahead and just call this classic, and we'll click on the classic giveaway. I'll just simply click on use this template. Now this just gives you a blank template with nothing added into it. There's no other actions that you can do currently until you modify it. So once we click on the edit button here, we can give our prize a name, we can give it a description, and we can select an image to upload for this contest. Now in this video, I'm using the pro version, so some of these features may not be available in the free version if you're using it. Once you've edited the information, you can click on Done Editing. Now on the left-hand side, you have your actions. Now the actions are what allow people to enter your contest and to gain points, and you can actually set the points for each action. So if you want them to visit your YouTube channel, if you want them to follow you on Facebook, if you want them to sign up to your newsletter, you can add all of those as actions, and they may get specific points for each one. So let's go ahead and click on Facebook and like our page. And here you'll see the options here. So you can add the title. This will change the wording on the Facebook listing here. And you have the value, so 1 to 5 points. So we could say this is worth 5 points if you want to make it mandatory, and then the URL here to the page. And then you just simply go through and add more of your actions here to add those. Let's actually move back. We'll close this one. Let's go ahead and add new. Now we won't look at every single one of these because I think you're going to get the point, but let's look at another one here. For example, let's look at grow your YouTube channel. So for this example, I'll just call it YouTube, and we'll click on this one here to use the template. Now, as soon as you click it, it saves a little bit of time by adding the watch a video and visit a YouTube channel options here with the actions. So now we can click on these and then modify the details for each specific one. So under watch a video, you have the title, the points, make mandatory, allow daily entries, and then the YouTube video URL. Under visit a YouTube channel, you can see the similar options, but except with the YouTube channel URL instead of the video. Again, let's come back and let's add new. And let's check out the grow your email list. Let's click on this one. First, you got to put in a name, use this template. And here it automatically added the join an email newsletter. So here you can click on this. You can see the text, the points, the trigger on sign up. So if you say yes, you can actually integrate this with a third-party email marketing service. So this is a great way to collect emails and then send those emails off to your favorite third-party marketing service, where then you can manage those emails with your specific campaigns from there. All right, let's take a quick look at one more example here. So we'll come back and add new. Let's click on the pre-launch campaign. So we'll just call this pre, and we'll select this one. And here, this is a great starting point when you're launching a new product or service. You can have this as a giveaway or a contest set up on a landing page, where then you can then offer this contest where people can then join your email newsletter, visit you on Facebook, follow you on Twitter, and watch a video. This is a fantastic way to get eyeballs on your product or service even before you've launched. And again, when you click on these, you can simply add all of the different options here. And of course, don't forget to update the information for your prize with the title, description, and the image. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you found it helpful. I just want to give you a little bit of a glance of how the templates work in RafflePress for the giveaways. And now that you know how to use RafflePress giveaway templates, maybe you'd like to check out this video on how to run an online giveaway for beginners using RafflePress. This will help guide you through how to create your first online giveaway. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.